Welcome back to Facts Overdose. Yeah guys, we have now reached the Saturn in our exploration. If you are new here, then subscribe and become a part of our family. We upload daily amazing videos for you. Comment down which fact did you love the most. Without any further delay, let's explore some of the amazing facts of the Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and is best known for its fabulous ring system that was first observed in 1610 by the astronomer Galileo Galilei. Whereas, the discovery of the rings was made by Christian Huygens in 1659. Saturn can be seen with the naked eye. It is the fifth brightest object in the solar system and is also easily studied through binoculars or a small telescope. Saturn was known to the ancients, including the Babylonians and Far Eastern observers. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the father of Jupiter, king of the gods. This relationship makes sense given that the planets Saturn and Jupiter are similar in so many respects, including size and composition. The Greek counterpart is known as Cronus. Saturn appears a pale yellow color because its upper atmosphere contains ammonia crystals. Below this top layer of ammonia ice are clouds that are largely water ice. Even further below that are layers of sulfur ice and cold hydrogen mixtures. This, together with its atmosphere that is composed of ammonia yellow, ammonia hydrosulfide orange, and water white, influence the planet's colorful appearance of a brownish yellow. Saturn is the flattest planet. Its polar diameter is 90% of its equatorial diameter. This is due to its low density and fast rotation. Saturn turns on its axis once every 10 hours and 34 minutes, giving it the second shortest day of any of the solar system's planets. Saturn orbits the Sun once every 29.4 Earth years. Its slow movement against a backdrop of stars earned it the nickname of Lubātsagāsh from the ancient Assyrians. The name means oldest of the old. Saturn has the most extensive rings in the solar system. The Saturnian rings are made mostly of chunks of ice and small amounts of carbonaceous dust. The rings stretch out more than 120,700 kilometers from the planet, but are amazingly thin. Only about 20 meters thick. Sometimes the rings disappear. Well, they don't actually disappear, but they look like they're going away. Saturn's axis is tilted, just like Earth. From our point of view, we see Saturn's changing position as it takes its 30-year journey around the Sun. Sometimes, the rings are fully open, and we see them in all their glory, but other times we see the rings' edge on it looks like they've disappeared. This happened in 2008 to 2009, and will happen again in 2024 to 2025. Saturn is made mostly of hydrogen. It exists in layers that get denser farther into the planet. Eventually, deep inside, the hydrogen becomes metallic. At the core lies a hot interior. Saturn is known as a gas giant, but scientists believe it has a solid rocky core surrounded by hydrogen and helium. The magnetic field on Saturn is slightly weaker than Earth's magnetic field. Saturn's magnetic field strength is around 1/20th the strength of Jupiter's. Saturn and Jupiter combined account for 92% of the entire planetary mass in the solar system. Periodic storms are present on Saturn. They are large enough to be seen from Earth and are named white spots. Saturn has more moons than any other planet. 20 new moons were discovered in 2019, bringing the total to 82, 3 more than Jupiter. Saturn's moon Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system, behind Jupiter's moon Ganymede. It has a complex and dense atmosphere made mostly of nitrogen and is composed from water ice and rock. The frozen surface of Titan has liquid methane lakes and a landscape which is covered with frozen nitrogen. It is possible that Titan may be a harbor for life, but that life would not be similar to life on Earth. Saturn has the fastest winds of any other planet in our solar system. These winds have been measured at approximately 1,800 kilometers per hour, which is approximately 1,100 miles per hour. Saturn has been visited by 4 spacecraft. These are Pioneer 11, Voyager 1 and 2, and the Cassini-Huygens mission. Cassini entered into orbit around Saturn on July 1, 2004, and continues to send back information about the planet, its ring and many moons. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't think to visit Titan and meet Thanos. It's time to move from here and take a peek into the Uranus. In this adventurous space ride, we are going to explore all the planets and many stars. Nad make a playlist of it. Check the playlist link in the description. We will meet you on the Uranus. Until then, stay tuned.